Hello friends, and welcome to my class project. My class project is a combination of many things that I have learned to love in my life, one being guided meditation, one being my more recent discovery of spiritual mind treatments along with all of you, and one being unifying those things with the chakra system and with Reiki healing. And so we will explore tonight. I'll use a guided meditation technique to guide us through the different chakras, unifying those with the science of mind, spiritual mind treatment technique. And I would love to share it with you. So just begin closing the eyes here, taking some deep, easy breaths, allowing the breath to travel through the nose, down the throat, into the lungs, and all the way into the low belly. Letting the shoulders melt toward the floor as you release tension. And then bringing the palms face up on the lap as you invite in love, energy, connection with one another. Palms facing up as a gesture of receptivity. And beginning to notice if you feel any heat, any chi, any energy gathering in the palms of the hand as you connect in with our collective consciousness. And now bringing the hands up to the crown chakra just above the head. Hovering the hands above the head, palms facing down. God is all there is. There is one pure essence, one powerful being, one universal consciousness. And this power, this essence, this consciousness is God. God's mind is everywhere, always. And God's love has no boundaries, no physical space boundaries, no time boundaries. God is ever present everywhere. Bringing the hands down now to the third eye. Hands hovering just above the forehead. Just as I know I am one with God, with this universal presence, I too know that Ethelyn, Reverend Gloria, Carrie, Karuna, Barbara, Michelle, Madhu, Cliff, and Carolyn are also one with God. Just as I know I experience joy and oneness as I tap into my connection with Spirit, I know that my friends from this class also feel and experience joy and oneness when they tap into their connection with Spirit. And I also recognize that all of us, as we have traveled on this journey together, that we all experience oneness together, seeing God and one another's shares in our experiences in our chat room, and that together we have experienced God as one group, each individually manifesting as God, as well as our group manifesting as God as we have communed together in the name of Spirit. Bringing the hands down to the throat. Hovering just above the physical throat. Again, noticing if you're feeling any heat or chi or energy building in the palms of the hands as you connect with your energetic spiritual centers. This step being our realization step at the throat. We all already are oneness. We all already are joy. We all already are pure essence, pure God space. As individuals and as a group, we release on this full moon all of the shadows, all of the fear, all of those things, those human qualities, those human experiences that keep us from experiencing oneness and joy. And we bless and release those as we invite in and experience immediately now oneness, joy, and our own divinity. Bringing the hands now to hover just over the heart space. I am so grateful for this class, for the leadership of Reverend Gloria, for all of the contributions of each individual person, as well as for the experiences we have had as individuals and as a collective. I'm so grateful that in the Bible it is taught, and in so many spiritual traditions it is taught that where two or more are gathered, Spirit is always present. And I have felt that way absolutely in this class every week, and I am so grateful for that. Bringing the hands down now to the belly. 3 chakras living here at the belly. And just hovering over this center of our power, of our creativity, of our groundedness. And with this prayer, with these blessings, I release this prayer unto the law of absolute love that already makes it so. And I invite you to all say with me together, and so it is. Returning the palms to the lap, this time placing the palms down on the thighs as you send energy and love out the soles of the feet, regrounding you into your being, into your space. Taking a few more breaths here. Allowing yourself to return to the present moment as I share one last poem for you that I found. Keeping the eyes closed. This is A Blessing for Equilibrium, and it's from one of my favorite authors and poets, John O'Donohue. Like the joy of the sea coming home to shore, may the relief of laughter rinse through your soul. As the wind loves to call things to dance, may your gravity be lighted by grace. Like the dignity of moonlight restoring the earth, may your thoughts incline with reverence and respect. As water takes whatever shape it is in, so free may you be about who you become. As silence smiles on the other side of what's said, may your sense of irony bring perspective. As the time remains free of all that it frames, may your mind stay clear of all it names. May your prayer of listening deepen enough to hear the depths of the laughter of God. Thank you so much for sharing these weeks with me, this time with me, and thank you for listening to my project. Namaste. God bless. Blessed be. And so it is.